Grow surpassing long-established brokers in market cap most strongly illustrates which strategic principle behind digital-first challengers? Your options are A. Scale advantage driven by traditional asset-heavy expansion. B. Competitive leverage arising from digitized cost structures and experience-led value. C. Market share shifts driven mainly by regulatory arbitrage. D. Advantage created by long-term branch networks and legacy customer bases. And the correct answer is option B. Competitive leverage arising from digitized cost structures and experience-led value. Grow's seamless onboarding and rapid user growth are examples of which marketing concept? Your options are A. Awareness creation primarily through high-budget ATL campaigns. B. Reducing funnel friction to improve acquisition and early-stage conversion. C. Upselling high-margin products during first-time transactions. D. Geographic segmentation largely through physical outreach. And the correct answer is option B. Reducing funnel friction to improve acquisition and early-stage conversion. Retail investors preferring Grow over older brokerage brands, despite their long history, highlights which branding truth? Your options are A. Perceived trust and simplicity can outweigh legacy reputation in digital categories. B. Brand equity is determined solely by the number of years a company has existed. C. Brand value depends mostly on celebrity ambassadors. D. Financial brands require physical presence for credibility. And the correct answer is option A. Perceived trust and simplicity can outweigh legacy reputation in digital categories. Grow trading sharply above its IPO price and touching 1 lakh rupees crore market cap reflects which valuation reasoning? Your options are A. Investors valuing firms solely on present cash flow generation. B. Valuation based exclusively on dividend history. C. Equity prices determined strictly by historical cost structures. D. Markets pricing growth platforms on future monetization runway and user scale potential. And the correct answer is option D. Markets pricing growth platforms on future monetization runway and user scale potential. The ability of Grow to absorb rapid increases in user activity without major service disruption aligns with which operational capability? Your options are A. Manual process expansion driven by hiring. B. Platform-led scalability enabled by modular, cloud-native systems. C. Capacity enhancement based solely on branch-level infrastructure. D. Operational continuity dependent on physical redundancy. And the correct answer is option B. Platform-led scalability enabled by modular, cloud-native systems. Grow widening its offerings to include margin trading, loans and wealth products represents which type of product strategy? Your options are A. Deep cost cutting through withdrawal of non-core services. B. Unrelated diversification into non-financial categories. C. adjacent expansion that increases wallet share within the same customer life cycle. D. Purely defensive response to regulatory mandates. And the correct answer is option C. Adjacent expansion that increases wallet share within the same customer life cycle. Grow's high retail traction in mutual funds and equities relates most closely to which CRM philosophy? Your options are A. Customer engagement built primarily on offline advisory interactions. B. Behavior-driven personalization through app usage data and simplified investment journeys. C. CRM relying on incentive programs for physical branches. D. Low engagement models prioritizing infrequent customer touchpoints. And the correct answer is option B. Behavior-driven personalization through app usage data and simplified investment journeys. Sustained post-IPO investor confidence in Groww is best explained by which governance-linked market signal? Your options are A. Low transparency to protect tactical information. B. Governance practices based mainly on legacy hierarchy structures. C. Avoidance of metrics that reflect underlying fundamentals. D. Strong disclosure quality and credible leadership communication. And the correct answer is option D. Strong disclosure quality and credible leadership communication. Grow's ability to handle large user surges during listing week without major outages illustrates which system's principle? Your options are A. Dependence on manual load distribution for peak traffic. B. Cloud-native scalability with automated load balancing and modular microservices. C. Infrastructure designed primarily for fixed, predictable traffic. D. Throughput management through heavy physical servers and local branches. And the correct answer is option B. Cloud-native scalability with automated load balancing and modular microservices. Retail investors preferring a platform like Groww over older brokers illustrates which behavioral driver? Your options are A. High switching costs due to physical branches. B. Adoption driven by perceived simplicity, transparency, and self-service control. C. User decisions influenced mainly by geographic proximity. D. Decision-making shaped primarily by legacy brand prestige. And the correct answer is option B. Adoption driven by perceived simplicity, transparency, and self-service control.